Hello everyone, myself Monica from MIT College, Mysuru. Now I am going to discussing about the topic is implementation of life cycle. Let us know what is ERP implementation life cycle. ERP implementation life cycle is the process of implementation of the enterprise resource planning in any organization. It involves many steps and stages right from the start: planning for project implementation, analysis, design, implementation, transition, and operation. This is the definition of ERP implementation life cycle. Let us know what are the different phases of ERP implementation life cycle. First, pre-evaluation screening. Second, package evaluation. Third, project planning phase. Fourth, gap analysis. Fifth, re-engineering. Sixth, customization. Seventh, implementation team training. Eighth, testing. Ninth, going live. 10th, end user training. 11th, post implementation. These are the 11 phases of implementation of life cycle. Let us know actual meaning of those phases. First, pre-evaluation screening. It is the phase that where company decides to go for ERP systems. For this, search for package start. It is time consuming process because every package has to analyze first before reaching to any decision. As all packages are not same and each has its own strength and weakness. This process should eliminate those packages that are not suitable for company's business processes. Second step is package evaluation. It is the most important phase in implementation. This phase depends on success and failure of entire project with package selection. Most important factor while selecting any package is that not every package can be totally perfect for project, but at least it should good fit for project. Third step, project planning phase. This phase plans and designs implementation process. Fourth step is gap analysis. It is the most crucial phase in this implementation. Here, gaps are analyzed between companies' practice and that practice which are supported by ERP package. It has been estimated that even best ERP package only sets 80 to 85% of companies' functional requirements. Next is re-engineering. It is the fundamental rethinking and radical redesign of business processes to achieve improvements. Next is customization. It is the main functional area of ERP implementation. Arrived solution must match with overall goals of company. Prototype should allow for through testing and attempt to solve logistical problem. Next is implementation team training. Now, after above processes, implementation team knows how to implement system. This is phase where company trains its employees to implement and later run system. Next is after the implementation of team training. Next is testing. This is the phase where team break system. Sometimes system overloads or multiple users trying to log in at same time, etc. Test cases are designed specifically to find weak links in system. Different types of testing are unit testing, integration testing, acceptance testing, security testing, performance and stress testing. Next step is going live. Once technical and functional side is properly working and testing is done, there comes next phase is going live. One system is live, old system is removed and new system is used for doing business. Next step is end user training. This is the phase where users of system is given training on how to use system. Employees and their skills are identified and training is given to them in groups based on their current skills. Every employee is provided with training of job where which he is going to perform. Last step is post implementation. It is the most important and critical factor. Post implementation is based on two words: operation and maintenance of system. Duration of this phase depends on training efficiency. Necessary enhancement and upgrades are made in this phase. This is about phases of implementation of life cycle. Thank you.